Siyempre ngayon naman, alamin natin kung saan naman nagtungo si Joe dito lamang sa Joe on the Go.
Good morning, boss, and welcome to the Manila Hotel. Dito kasalukuyang nagaganap ang 37th Annual Scientific Meeting. Ano-ano kaya ang meron dito? Alamin natin. Tara, let's go! Dito, sa isang proyekto ng DOST, National Academy of Science and Technology, isinusulong ng kagawaran ang importansya ng siyensya. Kanilang ipinupunto ang papel na gagampanan ng siyensya at teknolohiya sa ating pag-unlad at sa pagharap sa iba't ibang suliranin na maaari nating kaharapin.
You know, the ASEAN integration will open doors to further either exacerbate the situation or help us improve ourselves by being able to access best practices of countries that have programs in preventing non-communicable diseases. Because as we get to different diets, as we move from one ASEAN nation to another, these are risks that will have to be managed as far as getting non-communicable diseases spread. So we must now take it up in order for government to be able to put together a set of interventions and policies to address the rising epidemic. It will involve urban planning, it will involve pollution control, it will involve diet, it will involve healthcare delivery, education, and communication. So all of these put together should work as a team to be able to address the rise of non-communicable diseases, give suggestions and information about the population adjusting its lifestyles in order to prevent the further rise in non-communicable diseases.
Ang siyensya ay isang mahalaga at napakagandang larangan na magbibigay daan sa kaunlaran. Marapat lamang na ito ay bigyang atensyon ng ating bayan. Ito po si Joe Tamesis para sa Good Morning Boss. Back to studio!